Yellow friends, welcome to Pinch's class. My name is Job Jerem and I'm going to take you through P6 and P7 worksheet for mathematics subject. I hope you are ready with your answers, so let's go straight away to the answers. Now we have that graph which is shown in your worksheet, and we're going to use it to answer the questions that follow. Number one says, part A, how many people attended on Tuesday? When you look at that graph properly, you see that on Thursday it is 65 because of the middle line there. So 65 pupils attended on Thursday. And then number 1B, they're asking how many pupils were absent on Wednesday. Now, to get the pupils who were absent on Wednesday, we shall get the total number of pupils in the class. They have told us it is 80 pupils minus the number of pupils who came on Wednesday. So we can see that 70 pupils came on Wednesday. Therefore, we're going to get 80 minus 70, and the answer is going to be 10 pupils. Then number 1C, we have to calculate the total attendance of that week. So we start from Monday. 60 pupils came on Monday, then 80 pupils came on Tuesday, then 70 pupils came on Wednesday, 65 on Thursday, and 75 on Friday. And therefore, when we add all of them, they were 350 pupils who came the entire week. Let's go to part D, number 1D. What was the average attendance for the week? So average attendance is going to be the total number of students who came throughout the week out of the 5 days. So when you get the total number, which is 350, divided by 5 days, we get our answer as 70. Yes. Let's go to number 2. Number 2, they have told us the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 39. List down all the numbers. So what you're going to do this number, we first of all say let the first number be y. Yes. So the first number is y. The second number is going to be y plus 2. And then the third number is going to be y plus 4. Then after doing that, what we're going to do, we're going to add all of them. So this will be y plus 2 plus y plus 4, and that gives us our total, which is 39. Then we collect the like terms. We shall get y plus y plus 2 plus 4. That gives us 39. Then we shall get 3y plus 6 gives us 39. So we are going to take 6 the other side. So it will become 3y plus 6 minus 6 gives us 39 minus 6. So we shall remain with 3y is the same as 39 minus 6, which is 33. So divide by 3, divide by 3. Our y is going to be 11. Yes, when we divide 33 by 3, we get the answer as 11. So our first number is going to be 11, our second number is going to be 11 plus 2, and our third number is going to be 11 plus 4. And so we shall get our answers 11, 13, and 15. And those are the 3 consecutive odd numbers. Let's go to number 3. Number 3, there are 3 streams of P7 in a school with 15, 10, and 18 pupils respectively. So we are supposed to find a least number of textbooks that can be distributed to each stream without leaving any remainder. Now in this case, what you do, you're supposed to get the LCM of 15, 10, and 18. So we shall use the ladder method. So we're going to divide these numbers by the ladder method. We can start with 3 prime numbers. Actually, we use prime numbers, so 3 can work well there. We shall divide it by 15 by 3 gives us 5. 10 by 3 it's not possible, so we leave it as 10. And then 18 by 3 gives us 6. And then we can still divide by prime number 2. 5 will stay as 5. 10 by 2 gives us 5, and then 6 by 2 gives us 3. Then 5 can also go into this. 5 by 5, 1. Again, 5 by 5, 1. And then 3 goes to the next step. And then we divide 3 by 3, and we get 1, 1, 1. Therefore, we are going to get the prime factors, and then we multiply them to get the answer. So we shall get 3 times 5 times 3 times 2, which gives us 90. So they were 90 textbooks. Yes. Let's go to number 4A. They have said a businessman has 200 bags of maize flour, each weighing 50 kilograms. Part A, they have told us to find the total weight of the bags in tons. In other words, we are changing the bags of maize from 50 kilograms to tons. So what we are going to do, we are going to first find the total kilograms. Yes. So what we do, we get 200 bags times 50 kg, and that gives us 10,000 kilograms. After getting the 10,000 kilograms, then we are going to change the 10,000 kilograms to tons. Now you have to know that 1 ton has 1,000 kilograms. What about 10,000 kilograms? How many tons there? So we're going to get 10,000 divided by 1,000, and that gives us 10 tons. Okay. After that, we go to part B. If a pickup carries 2 tons per trip, work out the number of trips the pickup will make to transport the whole flour from the milling machine to his shop. So we have already known that he has 10 tons of maize flour. So we are going to just get the 10 tons divided by the 2 tons, and that means every ton. That means that we are going to get 10 divided by 2, which gives us 5 trips. Okay, now we go to number 5. Number 5 says 2 bells ring at intervals of 30 and 40 minutes for lower and upper primary respectively. So part A, they have said, how long will the 2 bells take to ring together again? So what we do here, we are going to first find the minutes taken for the 2 bells to ring again. And how do we do that? By using the LCM. So we shall get the 30 minutes and then the 40 minutes. Still, we are going to use the ladder method. So 30 divided by, which one can we use? We can use 5. Actually, 5 can go through both. So 30 divided by 5 gives us 6, and 40 divided by 5 gives us 80. And then 6 divided by, let's use 2, because 2 can go into both. 6 by 2 gives us 3, and then 8 by 2 gives us 4. And then here we can still use 2 to take the 4. So we have 3 remains, and then 4 by 2 is 2. Again 2, we shall get 3 remains, and then 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. And then to divide 3, we shall use the prime factor 3 to get 1, 1. After that, we get 5 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, and that gives us 120 minutes. So the 2 bells take 120 minutes to ring together again. Then part B, if the bells first ring at 9:10 a.m., when exactly will they ring together again? So since we have the 120 minutes, the time they take to ring together again, so we are going to first change the 120 minutes to hours. So we know that 1 hour gives us 60 minutes. What about 120 minutes? How many hours are there? So we have 2 hours. When you get 120, divide by 60, and the answer is going to be 2 hours. After getting that, we are going to get 9:10 a.m. plus the 2 hours we have got, and that will give us 11:10 a.m. And that's the answer. And that's it for mathematics. We hope to see you in our next video. And for now, we're saying have a nice time.